Good morning, students. Yesterday, what did we do in the class? We learned about how to make cupcakes. It was an interesting class. Today also we are going to do something like that. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is creating a recipe. This is clear to you what we are going to do. So keywords for today's class: recipe, lemonade, lemon, sugar, salt, steps, and resources. As I told you in yesterday's class also, content book, notebook, glass, water, lemon, sugar, salt, spoon. Yes, from the resources you can guess what we are going to do. Right. Your guess is right, but I will not tell you. Agenda, questioning, discussion, activity, worksheet, and then homework. So what is our today's aim, students? Our today's aim is to create a simple recipe with ingredients and steps to follow. Means today we are going to create a simple recipe. We will write the instructions for recipe, and with ingredients we will write the ingredients also and steps to follow, and then we will follow the steps also. Friends, can you make any food item by yourself? Yes, try it if you have not tried. Today we are going to try. I can make many food items. Yes. What do you need to make it? If you are going to prepare something, so you need ingredients for this. You will need some food items. Today we are going to prepare lemonade. So which ingredients, which things do you need, as I have given in the resources also. So these are the resources. Look at the screen. These things are sugar, lemon, spoon, salt, water and glass, and you need a spoon also. Yes, we are going to make lemonade. We need lemon, half cut, water, sugar, salt, glass and spoon. Students, these are the steps to make lemonade. Squeeze the lemon into a glass water, add sugar into it, 1 spoon, put a pinch of salt, mix it all together with a spoon. Students, what should I do first to make the lemonade? Just now I have given the steps to you, I have shown you. Right, first of all, I should squeeze the lemon into water. What should I do next? Next, I should put 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. Then I should put a pinch of salt into it, and finally I should mix it all together with the help of spoon. So these are the steps to make lemonade. Students, can you tell me the steps again? How to make the lemonade? Yes parents, please pause the video so students can recall all the steps in their mind. Students, we will follow these steps. Squeeze the lemon into a glass water. Add sugar into it. 1 spoon we can take. Put a pinch of salt. Mix it all together with a spoon. So students, these steps I have written. What are all these steps called? These are called a recipe. Yes, and what do we call these steps? We can use the name for this step: instructions or command. Students, so this is a recipe. We are using command and instructions for it. A recipe have 3-4 simple steps. Means what we are going to do, what to do, how to make a recipe, how to make a dish. For that we are following 3-4 simple steps to prepare that. So now I am going to make the lemonade for you. You will follow the steps same as me. Let's now start it. We have taken 1 glass of water. Yes, now first of all, what will you do? First step is squeeze the lemon. This is the half lemon. Yes, squeeze it. Squeeze the lemon. Yes, students, we have squeezed the lemon into the water. Now what will we do? What was the next step? Yes, put 1 spoon of sugar into it. 1 pinch of salt. We will take 1 pinch of salt. Yes, this was the third step. What was the next step? Mix it all together with the help of a spoon. This how we will prepare our lemonade. Yes, now it is ready to drink. Yes. Student, now it is analysis time. Yes, students, now tell me, what did we make? Right, we made lemonade. What things did we use to make the lemonade? We use lemon, water, sugar, salt, and a spoon we need. Yes, we used this thing to make a lemonade. The things that were used to make lemonade are lemon, water, salt, sugar, and water. And spoon also we have used to mix all these things. How many steps were there to follow? Right, there were 4 steps to follow. Means to make the lemonade we followed 4 steps. First, squeeze the lemon, add sugar, put a pinch of salt and mix all together all the things. So these were the steps we have used. Why is it important to follow the steps in order? Right, it is important to follow the steps in order to know what to do first, what to do then, what to do next and what to do finally. If we are not going to follow all these steps correctly, then this how we are not able to know which things we should use first, which thing we should do at last, and this how we are not able to prepare a recipe nicely. Students, now it is higher order thinking question. Where else we need to follow the steps to do something? We need to follow the steps for many things, like for playing games, making the things and following the directions. We need to follow the steps. Let's move to application part. Students, do S3 on page 17 in your workbook and it must be completed within 10 minutes, students. Now open your workbook, page number 17. S3, creating a recipe. Question 1. Write the steps for making bhel puri. Underline the doing words. Things you need: puffed rice, murmure, chopped onion, tomatoes, boiled potatoes, crushed papdi, tamarind, imli chutney, chopped coriander leaves, bhel puri masala. So you need all these ingredients, students. When you will do this now, it will be interesting. Put the puffed rice into a bowl. Then you will write the steps for it, how to make the bhel puri. Now you will write it in 3, 4 or 4 to 6 sentences you can write. Now question number 2. Write 2 sentences using doing words from the steps to make bhel puri. Now here you will write the doing words which you have used in the steps to make bhel puri. Students, now move to the homework part. What will you do? You will write a recipe of your favorite food. You will write the recipe for your favorite food. You will must write the recipe in 2 parts. First, the list of the food items and then you will write the steps. And you will write the steps in the manner of instructions, means in the manner of command or instructions. The sentence must be started with the doing words. Students, at last the summarization part. What have we learned today? Yes, we have learned how to make a recipe, means to create a simple recipe with ingredients and steps to follow. Means how to create a recipe. Means a recipe has 2 parts. In first part we are writing the name of the food items and in the second parts we are writing the instructions which are being followed by the reader to make the recipe, and the beginning of the instructions should be with the doing words. So this was our today's aim and we have achieved it successfully. Yes students, now be ready for the next class also, and resources for next class are 10 chits written with house of compound words like note, book. So parents, please prepare 10 chits, 10 pair of chits, and on that what should be written? The compound word should be written. The half compound word means if we will add both the words, what word will we get? We will get notebook. So this how you will prepare 10 chits and notebook. Yes students, so please prepare all these resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.